Good morning, fifth standard. Welcome back in history period, lesson number 2, history and the concept of time. Today, we have to revise the lesson as well as question answers. Okay. Division of time and the timeline. Time is continuous. However, we divide it into periods for our convenience. Time कैसा है? Continuous है. इसको हमने हमारे कन्वीनियंस के लिए हमें इजी जाने के लिए हमने इसे डिवाइड किया है किसमें पीरियड में. ठीक है. We divided into periods for our convenience. The method that we use for reckoning time depends on our purpose for dividing and the manner of dividing. Okay. We divide 24 hours of a day into 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night. 24 hours है उसमें 12 घंटे का दिन रहता है और 12 घंटे की रात रहती है. 7 days make 1 week. 7 दिन का एक सप्ताह होता है. 2 weeks make a fortnight. 2 weeks मिला के एक 15 दिन होते हैं एंड 4 weeks make a month. और 4 weeks का क्या होता है? एक मंथ होता है. 12 months make a year. 12 महीनों का एक 1 ईयर होता है. 100 years make a century. और 100 साल के मिला के एक सेंचुरी होती है एंड 10 centuries make a millennium. और 10 सेंचुरी मिला के क्या होता है? मिलेनियम. Millennium is 1000. This method of dividing time is known as unilinear division of time. और ये जो टाइम का डिवीजन है इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? यूनिलिनियर डिवीजन ऑफ टाइम. In unilinear division, the years are arranged in a serial order. ये जो यूनिलिनियर डिवीजन होता है ना उसमें जो years रहते हैं वो किस तरह से अरेंज किए जाते हैं? सीरियल ऑर्डर. This division of time is known as common era or क्रिश्चियन एरा. और यही टाइम को हम क्या कहते हैं? ये डिवीजन ऑफ जो टाइम है इससे हम क्या कहेंगे? कॉमन एरा और क्रिश्चियन एरा. The Christian era began in memory of Jesus Christ. Okay. The events that took place before the beginning of the era are denoted by before Christ, and those after the beginning are denoted as Anno Domini, which means in the year of our Lord. क्रिस्त के जन्म के पूर्व द इवेंट यानी जो भी घटनाएं घटी है कहाँ कब? बिफोर द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द एरा. ये एरा से पहले आर डोनेटेड बाय बिफोर क्रिस्ट. ठीक है. तो हम उसे क्या कहेंगे? बिफोर क्रिस्ट कहेंगे. एंड दोज आफ्टर द बिगिनिंग आर डिनोटेड एज एनो डोमिनी व्हिच मींस इन द ईयर ऑफ अवर लॉर्ड. और बाद का जो पीरियड है उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? एडी. एडी यानी एनो डोमिनी यानी उसका अर्थ क्या होता है? इन द ईयर ऑफ अवर लॉर्ड. नाउ मेजरमेंट ऑफ टाइम एंड मेथड्स ऑफ मेजरिंग टाइम. Second, minute, hour, day, week, fortnight, month, year, century, and millennium are the units of measuring time. Time measuring के unit कौन से हैं? Second, minute, hour, day, week, fortnight, month, year, century, and millennium are the units of measuring time. Okay, yes. Now, common era or Christian era is the most widely used method of measuring time. Common era or Christian era. Okay. Common era or Christian era is the most widely used method of measuring time. Then next one is a particular day is indicated by date, month and year. Yes, हम डेट लिखते हैं ना. जैसे आज की 9 तारीख है. 9, 10, 21. 9, 10, 21. Okay. A particular day is indicated by date, month, and year. The date, month, and year are in serial order. It is an age-old custom to start a new era to commemorate a special event. यानी क्या होता है कि एक बहुत पुरानी प्राचीन पद्धति है कि अगर हमें नया एरा स्टार्ट करना है तो वो कोई खास घटना या प्रसंग का हमें स्मरण हो हमेशा, इसलिए उस नाम से वो स्टार्ट किया जाता है. जैसे कोरोनेशन ऑफ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज स्टार्टेड राज्याभिषेक शब्द. जब कोरोनेशन हुआ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? राज्याभिषेक शब्द कहते हैं. Then migration of Prophet Muhammad from Makkah to Medina started Hijri era. ठीक है. शालिवान शक and विक्रम संवत are two eras that are used in India. इंडिया में दो एरा यूज किए जाते हैं, गए हैं शालिवान शक एंड विक्रम संवत. ठीक है. पारसी कम्युनिटी यूजेस शहनशाही era. ठीक है. पारसी कम्युनिटी शहनशाही. Now historical periods. Prehistoric period is the period for which no written records are available. Historic period is the period for which written records are available. Now, scientific method of measuring time and establishing age. Okay. The methods of measuring time enable us to identify a particular day, month, or year with respect to an earlier date. Here, information about the events before the beginning of the common Christian era can be obtained with evidence buried under the ground. With the help of scientific method, we can determine the approximate time of the event. Okay, carbon-14 analysis and tree rings analysis method are used for dating or establishing the age of an event. Carbon-14 is a radioactive element in the bodies of all living organisms, means all living things. Carbon-14 begins to decrease after the death of an organism. The quantum of the remaining C14 in the fossilized remains is the basis for determining the age of an object. With this dating method, it is possible to determine the period of culture to which that object belongs. Okay. Now, let us see the fill in the blanks. The calendar that we use today is based on common era or Christian era. Okay. The calendar that we use today is based on common era or Christian era. The period before common era or Christian era is known as the before common era or before Christ. Before common era or before Christ. Okay. Then next, we divide time into periods for our convenience. We divide time into period. We divide the day into daytime and night. We divide the day, day, into daytime and night. Then our Earth rotates around the axis, axis at a certain speed. Axis at a certain speed. Then we refer to the common or Christian era, written in short as Anno Domini. The Christian era began in memory of Jesus Christ. When 100 years are gone by, a century is completed. When 1000 years are gone by, a millennium is completed. To measure time is to measure the length of time. Our Earth revolves around the sun. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. To commemorate his coronation in 1674, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj has started the Rajyabhishek Shaka. Okay. Now the period of history goes back to the time of the birth of our solar system. Earth was formed about 4.5 billion years ago. Now the next one. Shalivan Shak and Vikram Samvat are 2 years that are used in India. The Hijri era was started to commemorate migration of Prophet Muhammad from Makkah to Medina. The Parsi community in India uses the Shahenshai Shaka or era. A chain of events that follow one after the other is presented in a linear and in serial manner in history. Carbon-14 analysis and tree ring analysis are known as dating techniques. Which technique? Dating technique. Now, times in history: prehistoric period, no written records are available. Historic period, written records are available. Okay. Now, answer the following questions in one sentence. Which scientific method are used to estimate the age of the layers of soil and the remains found in them? Carbon-14 analysis. Okay. Carbon-14 analysis and tree rings analysis are the scientific methods used to estimate the age of the layers of soil and the remains found in them. Then, how is the first century of the Common Era written? The first century of the Common Era is written as 1-100 AD. How is the first millennium of the Common Era written? The first millennium of the Common Era is written as 1-1000 AD. Why is time divided into periods? Time is divided into periods to graph the events during a particular time. What is the smallest unit to measure the time? Second is the smallest unit to measure the time. Which eras are in use in India? Shalivanshak and Vikram Samvat. Okay. What are the two main periods of history? Prehistoric period and historic period. How did Hijri era began? The Hijri era began to commemorate the event of migration of Prophet Muhammad from Makkah to Medina. Okay. Now, next one is answer in brief. What is meant by the unilinear division of time? 7 days make a week, 2 weeks make a fortnight, and 4 weeks make a month. 12 months make a year, and 100 years make a century, and 10 centuries make a millennium. Okay. This method of dividing time is known as the unilinear division of time. Now, what are the units of measuring time? A second is the smallest unit of measuring time. 60 seconds make a minute and 60 minutes make an hour. 24 hours makes a day and 7 days makes a week and 2 weeks make a fortnight. 4 weeks make a month and 12 months make a year. 100 years make a century and 10 centuries make a millennium. Okay. Write a short note on scientific method of measuring time and establishing age. Dating of the events in the prehistoric period is undertaken and scientific methods. Dating of the events in the prehistoric period is undertaken with scientific methods. The remains of material evidence buried under the ground are excavated. A rough estimate of the period of excavated evidence can be formulated by using carbon-14 analysis and tree rings analysis. Carbon-14 dating method was developed by Willard Levy. Okay, Willard Levy. Okay, fine. Now here our revision of second lesson is over. Okay, now it's your duty to read lesson carefully and learn all the question answers that we have written in the class. Okay, now our period is over. Take care. Bye bye.